Okay, welcome to today's show. Today we're gonna fix this old lawn chair sagging like this. You can see it's ripped like that. And I'm gonna make it like this one here. See how tight that one is? I've done those two. Well, I've done three. This is my fourth one. Alright, let's get at it. Here's the lawn chair upside down. You have to take the bolts here. Here, there's 4 bolts up there. That takes the base off. You have to pull these caps off. Okay, we're going to pull out these bolts. Pop this off part. Okay, pulling this last screw out now. See that? Just pop that off. We take out these end caps and then take this bar out. Okay, just stick a screwdriver in this. Okay, just pop it out. Alright. See here. Let's see this. Bar right here. Here. And you just turn it, but you have to. Sorry for my head. There, got it. You probably should put something over your pliers, maybe a couple layers of tape so it doesn't mark, but I never thought of that. Just till now. Okay, bin's done. Now you just pull these out. Little pieces out. I guess if it was easy, everybody do it. Got it. Oh, you can't see the floor here, but there's 17 years of dirt. Let me just do the other one. I guess I was on the whole time. So here's my old Chinese hand crank sewing machine. It's pretty new. Well, we lined these. This one's still sewing, so it's easier. The edge is lined up. I just put her in. I start a little bit back from where I want to go. And I go the opposite way a couple times. And then I spin her around. Okay, we're just gonna go up and across and up to this other side. We'll have to clamp the other side and then back. Mess it up. You can see I had to clamp these. See I had to clamp these to keep it straight. Okay, we're just finishing up. I got 3 stitches back, and now we're done. We can slide these back on like we did before, and then we put this top bar in. Okay, there, it's all in. I'm going to put it back on the chair. I put this side in. Then you turn it upside down and you just pop her into place. Take a few minutes to get it all aligned. That's how you do it. Just work away. Okay, I put all the 4 bolts in just loosely. Let's tighten them up and put the caps on and have a look. Okay, we'll put the last cap on. And there you go. See how it's tight it is across here now? It's just like brand new. You know, an hour or so and it's done. Alright, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell for more interesting videos. Later.